Sexy Villain by Remi Wolf. A minor 7, D, that's G major 7 to E minor, E minor 7. Alright, so that's the chords. I'm just choosing to play them here because it sounds real smooth. You could play the A minor 7 like this, or some people play it like this. This is probably the most common. You're muting the A string here when you play it like this. And then what we're doing for the D is we're just playing an A shape, like we're playing an A down here. So we're moving it up to the 7th fret. We're just playing a G, B, and the D, D, G, B. Alright, so A minor 7, D. Then we go, this is a G major 7. I like this because it's using some of the same notes as the D and as the A minor 7. When you want to make things feel real smooth, you got to try to keep as many notes the same as you can. Then the last one is E minor 7. Playing it here at the 7th fret. That's it. That's the whole song plays that chord progression. In the beginning, the second chord comes in real late. It's like behind the beat. More like that. And you could play the solo is in A minor. What is he? Okay, that's how you play it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for that. That was a request. That's a good request. Thanks. Bye.